how to use Widgetable app. Let's just go through it, and I will try to make a quick and easy tutorial for you in case you're using this app for the first time or you want to see some advanced features. So yeah, this is one of the top apps right now to install lock screen widgets, and there are some additional features as well. First of all, like, what are lock screen widgets? These are the widgets obviously on your lock screen, but they're available on an iPhone, and you need to have iOS 16 or later installed. So meaning you need to have at least iPhone 8, I think, or later, and then you need to have iOS 16 installed. Right now there is like official version iOS 16.5. So yeah, any of those will do. And then this is the app. You can install a huge collection of widgets, lock screen widgets in this app. This is one of the top apps actually, which has a library of these lock screen widgets. I was just exploring it, playing with it, with new features, and I will just try to share it with you. So here is the app. Basically, you have some new widgets. You have a lot of calendars, hot widgets, some like distance widgets, like lock screen widgets. Something like that. In the top part, you have all the different categories, like recommended widgets, lock screen, lab, pad, interaction, weather, Xpanel. All of that. So you have here. So let's just start from the basics and let's try to install a lock screen widget with this app. So for example, I want to select a daily timer. So let's see how much time to the lunch, or of course you can just add specific event, or So then I basically tap save, and then I have this widget being saved here. And then there are multiple widgets, lock screen widgets available. There are circles, small ones, there are rectangles, then there are also like bars. So just depending on the types of the widget, you can just tap on it, and then you can go to settings wallpaper to set the lock screen widget as below, and then you can install it. So let's try it out. I go to settings, wallpaper, and then on the home screen I just tap customize, tap add widgets, and from here I need to search for Widgetable app. So here it's in the very bottom usually, and then you see again, like, you see circular widget and rectangular widget as you see here. So this is like circle, rectangle, and bar. So all the widgets you saved from the Widgetable app to here, they will be available, and then they will be reflected here in this app. So again, you can see circular, rectangular, and then you just tap to add first, and then again you tap on this widget, and then you should be able to select from the list of widgets here. So something around that. All right. Add an empty widget, tap it again to select content, tap done to save. So okay. So now you can just tap this, and then you will be able to add this widget. So for example, we add a daily timer, or then there is like a pet widget, and then there you have it. Now you will have this lock screen widget installed on your screen, and then you can just tap done in the top right, and there you have it. That's basically how you proceed with installing these Widgetable widgets. Then there are not only lock screen widgets in this app. There are also home screen standard widgets, so you can also install those. You can just select different types of widgets and then just tap save, and then you will see again, not in the lock screen, but in the home screen tab, you will see all types of widgets here available. And then, yeah, from here, you can just tap and hold on any screen. You will see all your apps jiggling. Tap plus in the top right, and then you just can search for Widgetable. And then here you can install 3 types of widgets: small widget, medium, or large. So you can install small, so just tap add widget and then tap done and tap and hold, then you will be able to edit widget style, select that, and then from here again you will be able to see all the widgets you saved before in the Widgetable app. So that's basically yeah, how it works. And then let's just install battery, for example, and then yeah, here you have your nice looking battery widget. It's pretty cool, and this app is really nice, you know, with a lot of styles. It looks very funky, very nice, and yeah, so it's pretty cool. So now the cool feature about Widgetable, why is it going up in charts, is because of this co-parenting pet feature. So I'll also go through with it. So here in the top you see pets. What's that? So this is like the new feature. You need to update the app, and I think it's only fully available on iOS, iPhone. So the idea here is that yeah, you need to hatch an egg first. So there are multiple ways to hatch an egg. Either you need to buy premium subscription. You can shop one egg. You can use the invitation. Yeah, basically feel free to use my code, and then like VPQPQS, just use this code, and then yeah, you will be able to get a free egg, and I also get a free egg. Or like draw, you can just watch some ads. So basically then you can just hatch an egg. So I see like in the top right I have like 2 unhatched eggs. I can just tap go hatch it, and then I need to wait 24 hours before the egg is being hatched. So all right, so then I need to wait 24 hours. Otherwise, of course, I can also just speed it up by installing the egg widget. If I install the widget, either home screen or lock screen, it will speed up the process for 6 hours. You can also watch some ads, and yeah, there are multiple options you can do to speed it up. If you just tap on it, you will see you can speed up by upgrading, by watching some ad, or by installing widgets, and all of that. But then basically if you tap on the egg, in the bottom you see this binding a friend. This is how you co-parent on Widgetable. So just tap share, and then you will see this co-parenting code, and this is how you can share and bind a friend for co-parenting. Yeah, so that's basically the co-parenting code here. You can only share it for 2 hours, and that's basically you share it, and yeah, so that's the idea. And then you will be able to kind of grow this pet together. So in 24 hours, this egg will become a pet. And then this is like the pet. You can save this to widget. You can inactivate, you can rename it, you can pin it. Then you can see here, you just tap on this pet, and then you can just feed it. Or give it some other items and all of that. Then you can watch some ads and get more items. Of course, then you can go to the shop and buy more items. And that's your idea, is that you just need to take care of this pet. And with co-parenting, you take care of this pet together. And the cool part is that then you are able to install like the lock screen widget with this pad together, and then basically this pad is just on your lock screen. So just tap save to widget, and then you can select either home screen or lock screen, and then select the size of the widget, tap next, and then there you have it. then you can just rename it so you know which exact this widget is. And then this widget should be saved into the widgets. You can see here in the lock screen there is a new widget, and then you will be able to install it from there just as we did before. So that's basically the process, what you can do, how you can install it to the lock screen. And then you can co-parent it together. So that's basically the idea. That's why this app is kind of going viral on TikTok. And also then you can invite your friends here. So you can see widgetable code, and then you can add a new friend and add more friends. And there are some other widgets in this app where you just need to use them with friends. And yeah, you can just invite friends or share them with friends, these widgets, and make them more interactive. Then basically there is like a premium version, of course, of the widgetable app. There is a very nice offer, like $50 lifetime. It's a very nice offer. Actually, I like when apps have these lifetime deals. Then it's quite convenient, it's quite cost effective. You can save a lot of money, of course, if you're just planning to use this widgetable app a lot. Then there is like a yearly option, $20 yearly. There's free trial, and there is monthly. Monthly is $5. Also not cheap, not expensive. Some apps are charging that per week. This app is super powerful, has huge collection, but it's like, it's only $5 per month, so it's good. So what you have here, you remove ads, you have weather widget, battery, all the premium widgets, all the premium wallpapers, then unlimited pet chat, speed up hatching, so you don't need to wait for the egg to hatch. So yeah, customize status. So a lot of different features, you can just use it in the premium app. Then I think they just added wallpaper section. I don't know if it was here before. So here you can also just go through the wallpapers and install some really cool wallpapers here. Then there is more section which you can discover here. Like this app is quite advanced, I need to say. There are so many settings which you can discover here. Gift card code, you can redeem gift card code. Then there is like transparent setting which you can install. There is some tutorial how to install transparent widgets, so that's also quite cool. So yeah, that's basically the process here. There is a FAQ section where you can read more details, and I don't know if all of these features are available on Android. I think I'm just showing you iOS version. So yeah, hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.